Hi there, boys and girls. This is Ms. Widron, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this book speed browsing. So we'll be going over this in class, but I wanted to record this tutorial in case you need to go back and see how it's going to be done. So you'll want to open this presentation. I'll be posting the tutorial in this blank slide once I'm done with it. But here are the instructions. So we are going to do 5 rounds of book speed browsing. You'll see that each slide has 8 books, and you'll need to pick one book from that slide. Read all the information, watch the book trailer, and then here is the link to the form that you're going to fill out. So you should have this open and start working on it as you go. Obviously, you want to start typing in your information, first and last name. Put mine, select what class period you're in, and then as we go through each round, you'll complete the title and author of the book that you chose. Tell me just briefly, what did you like about it? It could be the cover looked interesting, the synopsis sounds good, the trailer was amazing, whatever. And then you're also going to rank the book from 1 to 10. 1 being like, never mind, forget about this book. I don't know why I chose it. And 10, a must read. I'm definitely going to check it out. And then we're going to go through that for each round. You're going to answer those 3 questions for each round. So I'll go back here and then we'll kind of walk through it as we do it. So, you'll have 4 minutes to do each round. That should give you enough time to read the synopsis, watch the trailer, and then move on to the next round. And then at the very end, you'll make sure you submit the Google form. So starting, so this is round 1. These are the first 8 books that you can choose from. So if you click on any of them, it takes you to that slide with the information. And you can really just copy and paste the information into your Google form so you don't have to be typing the name of the book. So if you go to round 1, you can just copy and paste it here and it gives you the title and the author. Then you'll fill out, everything else about that book. But go ahead and read what it's about. There's a couple of things on here. Here you can hear a page read from the author. You can watch the book trailer by clicking on here. You kind of have to hover over it until you see these 4 4 arrows, and then the link will pop up and it'll take you to the link for the book trailer. And then if the book is available on Access 360, I included the information here on the left side. So you'll see the little logo. If it's available as an ebook, you'll see a little book. If it's available as an audiobook, you'll see headphones. Once I tell you that we're done with the round, then you can go over to round 2. Again, you kind of just hover over it, make sure you see those 4 and then those 4 arrows, and then the slide pops up. So it'll take you directly to round 2. You don't have to be scrolling down through all of them. And then if you go down to the next one, this is the next set of books that you can choose from. And again, you would just choose one and then select it, jump to that slide. Again, read the description, watch the book trailer. This book is available as an audiobook only. And then again, you would go to your form and fill out the information for the second book as you go. And then once I tell you that the time is up, you'll go forward to round 3 and so forth. So we're going to do this 5 times. It's 5 rounds. And then at the very end, once you're all done, you'll reach this, right? So to finish, you must fill out the form and hit submit. And then feel free to reserve your books through Destiny Discover and stop by the school library to pick them up if you're able to do that. If not, if it's a book that's available through Access 360, then you can check out the book if it's available. Let me just go back to this form just to make sure everyone understands how you're going to fill it out. So title of the book and author, what did you like about it? You can, sounds interesting. I've actually read this book, so I know it's really good. I would give it like a 9. And then you would do the same thing for the other 2 books that you choose. But at the very bottom, once you're done answering these questions, there's 2 more questions. The first one is what I want to read next. So after you kind of hear about these 5 books, 1 in each round, which book would you really want to read next, right? So you would type the name of the book here. And then Here is where you can list any future possibilities. Maybe when you're looking at a specific round, you chose Pax, but maybe you were like, the Night Diary sounds interesting too. You're only allowed to pick one per round, but you could type the name here, list any titles of future possibilities. So maybe the Night Diary is a book that you want to check into next time. You can type the name here, and then hopefully you have some great titles to add to your someday list in your digital notebook. Hopefully this helps you add some books to that list as well. When you're done, all of the questions are required, so please make sure you fill out all of the questions and then make sure you click submit. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty much how this is going to go. Like I said, we'll be doing this together, so I will be timing you and letting you know when it's time to move on to the next round. And, by the end of this activity, you'll hopefully have 5 books that you are interested in reading and that, you can start reading as well. So that's that. Just want to point out one other thing that you'll find in some of the books. If it's a young adult book, it has a little symbol on the top right corner. That means that that book is in the young adult section and you would need parent permission to read that book. There's a form at the school library that your parents have to sign that gives you permission to read books that are young adult if you're interested in that particular book or type of book. Okay, that's it. So hopefully you enjoy this activity, like I said, and find some great books to read. Thank you for listening.